Yes, I am the killer Big Bird. I come from the land of McDonald Land and I am the son of Ronald McEwen. I am also the assistant of Satan. I love to eat and drink your blood as well as eating the dead corpses of the cruel and mean people that have died. Anyways, I have come here to punish you for your cruel and bad actions. You are so mean and bad to this world. This will definitely be your darkest hour. You are more than just a criminal. You are a member of hell now. And just to prove it, I will give you the greatest punishment that you have ever received. Here we go. That was swell. Congratulations, you are now a member of my evil army. As of this moment, people who are around you, except for the ones in my army, will give you the silent treatment, because you have been severely punished. Oh, by the way, there are several rules when you are in my army. 1. You must obey me and Ronald McEwen at all times and follow our commands. 2. If you continue to misbehave and do stupid shit in front of other people, your punishment will grow larger and larger. 3. You must not be late to either meetings, classes, or whatever the hell you have, or else punishment will arise even more. 4. If you refuse any of our commands, when we tell you to do them, we will hang you to the highest point ever and then rapidly drop you into the pit of fire, where we will eat your dead body. 5. You must do things properly, especially in band class. That goes for sitting down too. 6. You must work all day and all night. There may be a couple of breaks, but overall, you must work all the time. 7. You must go to fast food restaurants every 2 weeks and eat there. And finally, 8. If I catch you ever beating up other people, you will be hanged to death and we will take all your privileges away. That is all for now, so get back to work.